Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you Gharara pants cutting and stitching. First, take the measurement of a person you will be sewing for, as I am sewing it for a 7 years old girl, so you take your own measurement. Gharara pants has two parts. Upper part is fitted from the waist to knees and the bottom flare. Take the total length from waist to toe. Then hip waist circumference for elastic. Then hip circumference. Take the length of upper part of the Gharara pants, and from this point I'm going to take the length of knees. This is the total measurement of Gharara pants. This is my main fabric. It's a 2 meter long fabric. I keep it lengthwise, and the open part I keep it towards me. First, I am measuring waistband. I mark on 2 inches and then draw a guideline on it. Now, under the guideline, I am marking for total length, that is 29 inches, excluding the bottom hem. Then draw a straight guideline. Then I am marking the upper part of the Gharara pants. Then after that draw a guideline. Now mark for knee length, and after that draw a guideline on it. Now it's time to mark for crotch. Crotch will mark according to the hip size. Whatever your hip circumference is, suppose it is 27, then divide it from 4, then got 7, then add 3. Usually people add 2, but it is the Gharara pants, so I'm going to add 3 for losing. Make a square box as per formula and mark 2 inches for crotch area. Then make a gentle curve for crotch. For knees width, take upper part total length, that is 12, including the crotch area. Then mark on 6 and mark over here also. Now join these two marks with the help of scale towards the bottom ankle. For ankle round I got 6, so I mark 3 inches right side of the line and the 3 inches left side of the line. After this marking, take a lag shaper scale and put it on the ankle round marking in order to get the width of knees. Now make a guideline on it. Upper part of a Gharara pants marking is completed, so I am cutting it from the fabric. After that, put this cutting part on another fabric and trace it in order to get the another a part of pants. You can see that upper part of a Gharara pants cutting is completed. So it's time to cut the bottom flare. For bottom flare, I already marked, so it is very easy to cut it off from the fabric. Bottom part cutting are also completed. If you want to make the more flares in the bottom part of the Gharara pants, then you can increase the width of the bottom part. It's up to you. Now it's time to sew the crotch area of upper parts. After that, sew the upper parts side seams in order to close it. Take the elastic length of your waist circumference and -4 from stretching. I already made a video about the elastic. You can watch this video, link I will mention in description. In this video I briefly explain how to sew elastic in trousers or in Gharara very easily. Sew very carefully. You can see that I sewed elastic. Now it's time to sew the bottom flare. I sewed the bottom flare also. Now it's time to sew the both parts together. Sew very carefully and gently. You can see that I sewed both the bottom flares to the upper part of the Gharara pants. Often a beautiful lace is added at the knee to hide the joints. I chose this silver color lace. First attach the lace, then I will sew the inner seams. As you see that I sewed laces on both the joints. Now it's time to hem from bottom. I hemmed both the bottom flares. Now it's time to sew the inner seams. First flip over the Gharara pants towards the wrong side and then sew very carefully. While sewing, ensure that both the parts of Gharara pants are lined up. Gharara pants is completed and ready to wear. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.